Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a quick mail Anita with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, one of them being that it just needed a tune-up on the machine. But the main reason it was coming in is immediately the machine would not heat up, or it would have issues during the heat up, which is usually one of two things. It's either the relay, which is located on the back left side of the machine, or also the pressure stat, which is located on the left side right in the middle here, connected to your steam boiler. So we went ahead and replaced both of them. As you can see here, this is your pressure stat that's located right on the side here, and you can see there's quite a lot of scale in there. And then also we replaced the entirety of the relay, which we have right here. And so we replaced both of the components that would go into an issue like that, just to cover all bases. And also we did a complete tune-up, which is descaling of the boiler and heat exchanger pipe, deep cleaning the group head, replacing the gasket and the shower screen. Here's the original shower screen. As you can see, a lot of old coffee in there. And so we wanted to go ahead and replace that, fully cleaning it on the inside also. Descaling took quite a while on this machine just because of the amount of scale that was in there. So we had to scale multiple times over a span of 3 days to make sure that it was coming out good. But now we're going to quickly test the machine. And don't worry if the shot runs a little too slow or fast. We don't calibrate our grinder to the machine. We also do back flushing on these machines. So back flushing is pretty much putting a blind basket in a portafilter and allowing it to deep clean the inside of the chamber. As you can see, I didn't put enough coffee in there, but we can test the portafilter with a blind basket to show that the pump is brewing at around 9 to 10 bars, or possible to brew at 9 to 10 bars. So we'll take this out real quick. There you go. So if we were to put this in here and run the machine, you're going to see those bars start to push all the way up to 9 bars. There you go. So 9 to 10 bars, and of course, back flushing goes into the dripper. So yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.